Weight loss for busy moms, practical tips. Being a busy mom is challenging, especially when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. With a hectic schedule and limited time to spare, it can be hard to find the motivation to exercise and eat healthily. However, it is possible to achieve your weight loss goals, even with a busy lifestyle. Here are some practical tips to help busy moms reach their weight loss goals. The most important step to achieving your weight loss goals is to set realistic goals. You don't need to aim for drastic changes. Small, achievable goals are more likely to be successful in the long term. Setting a goal of losing 1 pound a week is much more achievable than trying to lose 10 pounds in 1 week. Meal planning is key to successful weight loss. Planning ahead helps to ensure that you are eating healthy meals without having to spend too much time in the kitchen. Take some time to plan out your meals for the week and make a grocery list of the ingredients you need. This will help you save time and money, and it will make it easier to stick to your diet. Exercising can be difficult to fit into a busy schedule, but it is essential for weight loss. Even if you don't have time for a full workout, you can still get in some physical activity. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk to the store instead of driving, or take a break from work to go for a walk. Incorporating physical activity into your daily routine will help you reach your weight loss goals. It is important to stay motivated when trying to lose weight. Find ways to reward yourself for reaching milestones. This could be something as simple as treating yourself to a massage or a new outfit. You can also enlist the help of a friend or family member to help you stay on track. Having someone to keep you accountable can make a big difference. If you are having trouble sticking to your diet or you find yourself too busy to exercise, there are ways to make weight loss easier. There are many products and services available to help busy moms reach their goals. Meal delivery services, online fitness classes, and weight loss supplements can all help you achieve your weight loss goals. Weight loss can be difficult for busy moms, but it is possible to reach your goals with the right plan. Setting realistic goals, meal planning, incorporating exercise, staying motivated, and utilizing resources can all help you achieve your weight loss goals.